Hi everybody, and welcome to the MetaTailor YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our educational series where we hone in and focus on specific elements in MetaTailor to use it to the best of its potential. Today we're looking at importing backpacks. So stick around, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and we will go ahead and jump right into it. All right, here we go with an avatar already loaded. Let's go ahead and jump and start an import. You can find import up here in the top left next to the home button design, and there's import. We're going to choose cloth and accessory because that's what we're importing right now. You can see it takes .fbx, .obga, .mta, .gltf, .glb files. We're going to be using a .fbx, and we're going to be doing a backpack. So let's go ahead and grab that backpack right there and hit import, and you can see it brings it in for us. Now we just have to add the textures down here. I can grab a color texture for our backpack. And that is actually applying it on the straps. Let's go ahead and undo that. You'll notice that there are two different types of material, material 12 and material 10. We're working on material 12 right now, and because we know that the straps are not part of this, it should be this albedo right here. There we go. We'll do the same thing for the normal map, the ambient occlusion, and the roughness. We'll spin around and do the same thing for the backpack now. Now we can go up here and change it to material 10. So that just is showing me it has two different UV maps applied to it. Go to color, grab that same albedo we grabbed that first time, and perfect. Look at that. Now let's go ahead and grab those normal maps, those ambient occlusions. We can add the metallic and roughness. It's not going to add too much to it. And roughness. And then for the whole thing, if we wanted to, we could dial up that metallic and see what metallic parts there are. We dial up that smoothness, make the whole thing feel a little bit more shiny. You can play with the hue, saturation, and stuff like that to add different colors to it. But remember, those colors just stay in MetaTailor for now. Let's go ahead and hit next step. Now it's going to say, hey, where do you want to put this? It's defaulting to jacket. We're going to set backpack. You can do keep source dimensions if you want to, but you can see this backpack is gargantuan. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that and hit next step. Now is when we place it. This is where if I wanted to, I can rotate it. About 180, I can move it, get it kind of into place. It is a little big still, so I'll get it into place first. And then what I'll do is I will scale it down. Oops, wrong one. Pull it up, pull it forward, have it sticking right about there. Maybe just a little bit bigger. There we go, it feels a little bit more realistic. I hit confirm, then I'll hit start pose match. Start pose match allows us to kind of move our body inwards. I kind of move that in, see what kind of stretching that does for us by making our hips a little bit thinner. It should hopefully push these straps out for us. Same with up here, I'm gonna go ahead and bring our chest in. The closer I move these gizmos to each other, the thinner some of these sections become. This is also where if we wanted to, if the arms are in a T-pose or a shirt was in a T-pose, we could place these arms in a T-pose. These arms aren't, but I am making all the sizes a little strange, so maybe I'll try to even that out a little bit better. I'll bring these down and forward, try to match some of that direction in here. And what should hopefully happen is they take this dumb mesh from this original backpack here, and they'll turn that into a smart mesh and match that to the body. So I made some pretty drastic changes, some really alienish changes here. Let's go ahead and hit confirm in next step and see how well that is. Look at that. It just instantly moved that. It turned that into a smart mesh and got that matching the body a whole lot better. Now it's going to tailor it and fit it onto our person. And there we go. We got a backpack applied. It still feels a little big. Overall, I could probably scale the whole thing down a little bit more. Maybe pull it forward, up, or re-import it. But kind of just put it like that and hit confirm. And watch as it reapplies all of that for us. Reskins those weights. That looks fantastic. Now we got this kind of hiking travel backpack on our character here. And that's importing a backpack. And that's it for this video. Hopefully this either answered a question or taught you something new about MetaTailor because it's such a powerful program that has so much potential that you are able to do everything you need to do within it. So thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like and subscribe down below to see more videos like this one. And that's it. Get out of here. Go get dressed. Bye, everybody.